A platonic soulmate is someone with whom you share a deep, non-romantic bond that goes beyond friendship. This connection feels as though your souls are intertwined. In some cases, you may feel like you've known them forever. While many people associate soulmates with romantic relationships, platonic soulmates provide a sense of understanding and connection that is unique. You'll have a lot in common with your platonic soulmate, including shared interests and a similar sense of humor. Communication will be effortless, and you'll often find that you're able to finish each other's sentences. Your platonic soulmate will support you unconditionally. They'll understand your needs and emotions without having to ask. Trust and loyalty are key components of platonic soulmates, since you'll feel comfortable confiding in them and trusting them with anything. Ultimately, a platonic soulmate is a kindred spirit who brings joy, understanding, and unwavering support into your life.